was the word. All right, all right, all right. We are live. Let me just show you all. First of all, happy Christmas. ठीक है? And today we'll be analyzing BTC. Today Saturday and आज basically मैंने promise किया था कि मैं afternoon में live आऊँगा, but unfortunately I was just doing some work and then I couldn't. Finally we're live. Let me just check once. Are we live? ठीक है? Okay. Just a second. How do you like the decoration? Is it good? Okay, it's good. I know it's good. I think we should be live at this point. Let me just hold up. Okay, yeah, I see someone live. Okay, we're live. Chalo. First of all, the people who are gonna join, people will watch this stream in the future. या जो अभी लाइव आने वाले हैं या ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं, सबको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हैप्पी क्रिसमस. ओके एंड यस, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वर्क, लेट्स गेट टू द बिजनेस. ओके, सो आज का एजेंडा होगा एनालाइजिंग बीटीसी एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग बीटीसी केयरफुली, क्विक अपडेट्स ऑन बीटीसी. ठीक है? सो द अपडेट्स आर कि भाई आज मार्केट बंद है, एज यू गाइस नो, राइट. आज मार्केट पूरी तरीके से बंद है एंड उसके बाद जस्ट सेकंड गाइस. Okay, so today's agenda is to analyze BTC from the scratch, because आज बैंक बंद है, लाइव मार्केट इज़ बंद एंड जो भी बड़े प्लेयर्स है दे विल नॉट take trades. I think they are also like hedge funds and everything is closed. Okay, so today here we are doing a live stream on BTC and we'll analyze BTC कि BTC में क्या चल रहा है, किस तरीके से हम BTC को analyze कर सकते हैं. We'll come to the 4-hour time frame first of all. ठीक है? This is important lines that I already marked in the BTC. ठीक है? You guys want to check, you guys can check, right? This is how the BTC is moving. So what is this? This is not you can say, just a second. All right, now I can see myself. So this is not a usual BTC, right? BTC mostly does not move like this. There are moves and this and that, but if you see, like, it's pretty dry, right? Because today is Saturday, right? But we'll analyze, we'll try to capture some moves if we can, and if we think like there are no moves, then we are just gonna analyze and see what's gonna happen tomorrow or day after tomorrow. All right. It's Christmas, so everybody's partying, everybody's doing holiday. I'm also gonna party in some time, but like that, we have time for that. Right now, we are talking about business, and we are focusing on the BTC. 4-hour time frame, you see there are choppy market, this and that. There are not clear levels. It is consolidating overall. If you see, right, you come to the 1-minute time frame, and you see that market is pretty much in the frame where you can see there are good lines, right? Just a second, guys. All right, so that is the thing. Just a second, guys. Okay, so as we come on 1-hour time frame, right, you'll be able to see that a market was pretty much bearish at this point. Okay, you cannot see a clear bearish zone, but yeah, I have marked the swing highs and swing lows, and yes, we'll be going to analyze it more on 5-minute time frame, right? So what is happening now? This is the swing low, this is the current high that you can expect market to go, right? And this is another support that market can go to this level and take a support. Okay, resistance, I mean. So from here we cannot predict anything, we cannot analyze anything, because this is pretty dry as of now, right? It is moving nicely, not bad. The markets are closed, banks are closed, everything is closed, and still it is moving nicely, and that's pretty nice. Okay, So what is the next thing that we're going to focus on, right? So there is no news as of now in the BTC. Okay, I've checked it, there is no news in BTC as of now. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna focus on the normal price action, right? You will be able to see a pretty much manipulated price action today because it is Saturday, as I mentioned before. Okay, चलो तो अभी हम पता करते हैं, थोड़ा स्कैल्प ढूंढने की कोशिश करते हैं. आई नो एट दिस पॉइंट लाइक देर आर नॉट मेनी पीपल ट्रेडिंग, बट हियर we are, as I promised, I came and we're gonna trade. Okay, and this is the current high that was market reached, and it was supposed to go to this level, but it did not. So this time it can go to this level, right? Because you see that like how it happened, right? This was a support, it went up, we'll directly consider this level, then it came down to this level, right? So from here it was supposed to go to this level, but no, it directly came to this level and directly came down, took all the liquidity here, and then it is going up now, right? This move is pretty much nice, but I am pretty much sure it will go to this level or this level, right? So we have a opportunity where we can buy. You're getting my point. We definitely have an opportunity for a buy side, buy clear, right? So let me just go through this. Okay, if market cross this level, right, we're gonna take a buy. Okay, and I know if it's gonna go to this level, then this will be our target. This will be our target. Okay, if BTC cross this will be our target, and we'll take a small stop loss. Okay, so this is what's gonna happen in BTC in next like half hour, you can say, right? Half hour. So yeah, this is it. This is the basic analysis. I think you guys saw yesterday trade. If you haven't, I'll show you guys. We took like a very major great trade, and I think the analysis and the profit was insane. This was a profit. Okay, it was like $1,172, and the profit was insane because the trade setup was insane. You're getting my point. So trade setup इस तरीके से था उसका. I think ये वाला ट्रेड को छोड़ के, राइट, एंड ये वाला ट्रेड जो आपको दिख रहा है 3000 वाला, राइट, ये 3000 वाला, ये वाला जो ट्रेड था, ये भी मैंने उसी सेटअप पे बेस्ड मेरा ट्रेड था. ओके, जो सेटअप हमने कल लिया था जिसमें हमने 1000 का प्रॉफिट किया था, दिस वाज राइट, ये वाला भी उसी से रिलेटेड था. हैप्पी क्रिसमस ब्रडी, हैप्पी क्रिसमस. How do you like the decoration? So yeah, this is how it is, and it'll just ओके, माय बैड, सॉरी. ओके, दिस इज़ द ट्रेड. अब हमने अभी तक ये ट्रेड नहीं लिया है बाय द वे, ठीक है. दिस इज़ जस्ट लाइक कि अगर ये लेवल ब्रेक करता है मार्केट, तो यहाँ से हम ट्रेड प्लेस कर सकते हैं. ओके, बिकॉज देर इज़ अ हाई, देर इज़ अ स्विंग हाई. टुडे इज़ हॉलीडे ब्रो. येस ब्रदर, इट इज़ हॉलीडे, बट कल मैंने प्रॉमिस किया था कि भाई मैं लाइव आऊँगा आफ्टरनून में, बट मैं नहीं आ पाया बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू गिव द बेसिक एनालिसिस ऑफ BTC. ठीक है, डोंट वरी, आई एम नॉट गोना ट्रेड. इफ आई ट्रेड, आई विल गोना विन, डोंट वरी. This is not just to make profit. This is just for the people. Like I think yesterday there were 2-3 people were asking me to come live, so yeah, that's why. Yeah, I promised, so I came. That's not the issue. But yes, this is the major level that you can see as of now, and if it's gonna go to this level, it's gonna break out, then we can see the TP till here, right? And it's gonna move pretty slow, pretty slow. Okay, are you a binary trader? Nah bro, I know about it, but like, yeah, no. So yeah, let's just wait, and I think it will definitely come to this level very soon, because it's gonna retrace a little bit. There is also, if we can see, there is no good gap that you can find where market can come down and then go to that level, right? There was a fair value gap here, it has been like taken out from this area. Okay, if you can go to this level, 1 minute time frame, 1 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे दिस इज हाउ यू विल बी एबल टू सी द चार्ट. दिस चार्ट इज शिट. ओके, जब भी तुमको ऐसा चार्ट दिख रहा है, यू आर नॉट सपोज टू ट्रेड एट ऑल. यू आर नॉट सपोज टू ट्रेड. वी आर नॉट ट्रेडिंग. ओके, okay. We'll not talk about that. Okay, cool. So what are we talking about? ठीक है, BTC पे थोड़ा फोकस करते हैं and just wait. I don't want to go back to the 1 minute. I don't want to go back to the this time frame. Okay. चलो, आज जैसे मैंने बोला था बहुत स्लो रहेगा. BTC सारे मार्केट्स बंद है. टुडे इज हॉलीडे. US मार्केट इज क्लोज्ड. बैंक्स आर क्लोज एंड एवरी हेज फंड्स बिग व्हाटएवर यू कॉल इट, सब कुछ बंद है आज. ठीक है, तो डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट एनी गुड मूव्स. बहुत स्लो तरीके से मार्केट मूव करेगा. बहुत ज़्यादा मैनिपुलेशन होगा एंड रिटेलर्स एक्टिव होंगे डेफिनेटली, बिकॉज रिटेलर्स का थोड़ा होता है, दे डोंट हैव पेशेंस. सो या दैट इज़ इट. बट या एज आई टोल्ड यू, अगर BTC जो लेवल हमने मार्क किया है अगर ये क्रॉस करता है देन वी हैव टू गो फॉर अ बाय. ओके, आई नो इट्स गोना बी अ वेरी शॉर्ट ट्रेड. अगर तुम 1 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पे जाके देखोगे, दिस इज़ हाउ इट इज़ मूविंग ब्रो. वही मैंने बोला, ऐसे मार्केट में कभी ट्रेड नहीं करना. ठीक है, बट मैंने कल प्रॉमिस किया था कुछ लोगों को कि मैं आऊँगा लाइव आफ्टरनून में. सो दैट इज़ वाई आई एम कमिंग एंड टुडे इज़ हॉलीडे. सो या आई एम जस्ट गोना सेलिब्रेट इट लेटर. बट अभी फ़िलहाल के लिए वेयर गोना बस 30 मिनट की स्ट्रीम होगी, है ज़्यादा बड़ी नहीं होगी. ठीक है, आई हैव टू गो आउट मीट पीपल. सो या चलो, अब यहाँ पर जाने में भी यू सी किस तरीके से अगर तुम इसे लॉन्ग टर्म के हिसाब से अगर एनालाइज करोगे राइट BTC को, what are the major lows and highs you can see, right? Already BTC बहुत ज़्यादा गिर चुका है and it is not supposed to, और मतलब नहीं गिरना चाहिए राइट जितना, बिकॉज अगर तुम 100 के क्रॉस कर रहे हो, 100 के से भी ज़्यादा अगर तुम 126 अगर क्रॉस कर रहे हो, दिस इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ फॉल राइट. इवेंचुअली दिसंबर मंथ इज़ फॉर द BTC, जहाँ पर BTC फॉल करेगा. आई थिंक जनवरी फेब में आई थिंक यू विल बी एबल टू सी सम गुड मूव्स. ठीक है, बट दिसंबर मोस्टली ड्राई ही होता है. ठीक है, व्हेन इट कम्स टू द ट्रेडिंग पर्सपेक्टिव, दिसंबर का जो लेटर हाफ होता है वो हमेशा ड्राई होता है. ठीक है, सो यू कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग एज ऑफ नाउ. डेफिनेटली अगर यहाँ पर बहुत सारा अगर तुम स्विंग ट्रेडर हो यार, इफ़ यू वांट टू ट्रेड फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म राइट, आई फील लाइक गोल्ड विल कम टू द 80 का लेवल अगेन, दिस लेवल eventually, and then we can expect some moves up. Maybe till I think Jan you will be able to see some good fall in BTC, and then I think after it's gonna cross 80, बहुत अच्छा मूवमेंट या पॉइंट हो सकता है जहाँ पर तुम बाय कर सकते हो BTC में. ठीक है, then you have to hold it for a long time because it's not gonna go up directly. You're getting my point? It's not gonna go up directly. उसके लिए बहुत patience, बहुत time लगेगा. And yeah, if you want to trade like that, you can do it. But as I told you, like we're at intraday, right? तो हम इतना लंबा तो नहीं सोचते definitely, right? We have to think up from like a very small perspective. But definitely we have to look at the long perspective as well. So yeah, this is what I'm thinking. If it has to, okay, so I'll tell you how it's gonna be, right? अगर ये वाला कैप्चर करता है डेफिनेटली राइट, अगर यहाँ से ये नीचे आता है, it has to come to this level, take all the liquidity, and then it can go to this level. This is mostly how the market is gonna move. We'll remove this because it's not gonna go up. So this is a major possibility because as you can see, we have marked the swing highs and swing lows, right? Definitely अगर तुम liquidity की बात करो, यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा liquidity है as of now. ठीक है, not at this point only. This is also liquidity area, this area, right? This is the current major liquidity pool. And then अगर तुम नीचे आओगे, you'll be able to see the swing lows, right? यहाँ पर भी एक अच्छा खासा तुम्हें liquidity pool देखने को मिलेगा. So in order for it to completely go up, it has to come to this level and take all this liquidity, and then it can go up. You're getting my point? But somehow यहाँ पे already liquidity यहाँ पे take out हो चुका है, so it can directly go to this level and then come back. राइट. सो देर आर पॉसिबिलिटीज़, बट देन धीरे धीरे सेटर्स बनते तब जाके तुम्हारी पॉसिबिलिटी होती है वो कन्फर्मेशन में कन्वर्ट होती है. तुम समझ रहे हो. बिकॉज यहाँ पर देखोगे, अगर तुम 15 मिनट आवर्स के देखोगे, ये वाला जो कैंडल है, दिस कैंडल राइट, ये वाला मेजर कैंडल था जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा फेयर वैल्यू गैप इसने क्रिएट किया था. राइट. व्हाट हैपेंड लेटर, उसके बाद ये मार्केट जब ये कैंडल ने फेयर वैल्यू गैप क्रिएट किया, दिस कैंडल राइट टैप्ड इनटू दैट फेयर वैल्यू गैप एंड देन केम डाउन टू दिस लेवल. समझ रहे हो. अभी वो जो सपोर्ट यहाँ पर क्रिएट हुआ है, मार्केट फिर से वहाँ पर जा रहा है. राइट. एंड आई फील लाइक कि ये मेजर सपोर्ट हो सकता है. अगर ये सपोर्ट को ब्रेक करता है देन दिस इज़ अ टारगेट. अगर ये सपोर्ट को ब्रेक नहीं कर पाता देन इट्स गोना कम डाउन टू दिस लेवल और समथिंग लाइक दैट. समझ रहे हो. सो इस तरीके से तुम ट्रेड कर सकते हो आज के दिन पे, अगर तुम्हें ट्रेड करना है तो. एंड आई एम प्रिटी श्योर कि मंडे को अच्छे खासे मूव्स आएंगे एंड आई विल बी एबल टू सी मोर ऑन मंडे. मंडे तो आई थिंक इट्स गोना गो क्रेजी. नॉट रियली, नॉट ऑन मंडे. I think it's gonna go crazy on first or second, the next working day after the new year. The next working day is gonna be crazy for BTC. I think all the markets that we see on the Forex chart. Okay. यार देखो, this was the like basically a candle है 15 minute का. Let's go to the 5 minute time frame. You see this. This is what you don't want to see market में, right? एंड मार्केट बंद है ऑब्वियसली, तो ज़्यादा मूव्स एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते अभी फ़िलहाल के लिए. ठीक है. बट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग इट टू गो अप. ये वाला ब्रेक होगा एंड देन दिस कुड बी योर नेक्स्ट ट्रेड. सो या दिस इज़ हाउ इट इज़. BTC. Let's come to the Ethereum. Let's see how Ethereum is moving. देखो BTC है and Ethereum is very much similar. You cannot see much difference. जिस तरीके से ये स्लो चलेगा वो भी स्लो चलेगा, ये फास्ट चलेगा वो भी फास्ट चलेगा, बिकॉज दे आर ऑल डिपेंडेंट ऑन USD. ओके. द को-रिलेटेड पेयर इज़ द सेम. तो एज यू कैन सी लास्ट 5 मिनट का कैंडल ये था, ये वाला. Do you really want me to trade on this candle? No, never. But yeah, let's analyze this Ethereum. Nice. Damn. See, I marked this. I think I don't remember when I did this, but yeah, very good one. This fall was crazy, but yeah. हाँ जी. तो let me remove all the drawings. Let me come to the 4-hour time frame. The major swing highs and major swing lows are pretty obvious, but we are gonna mark it still. ठीक है. This is very important. I always do that whenever I come live. First, whenever I look at the chart, the first thing I do is mark the swing highs and swing lows. That is most important part for me. We'll come to the 1 hour. Let me see what are the. Okay, it's pretty choppy actually. It's pretty choppy and it's pretty not very tradable as of now. You see this? This is not a tradable market. It's consolidating all the time, trying to accumulate, and yes, we need to wait. So the recent lows I can feel here is this one and this one. For 1 hour I think this is good level, and also this is also a good level. Okay. And you come to the 15-minute time frame, you see we'll be able to find more. Not really actually. Okay, cool. Okay, we can consider this. Where is hyperbole? Hmm. I think BTC is also like all about selling today. I see that. I see that happening. I see that happening already. अगर तुम ध्यान से देखोगे, ठीक है, on 15-minute time frame, is there any? No, no, there is no gap. There is no gap. कोई कंफर्मेशन नहीं है, वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, कोई कंफर्मेशन नहीं है. मार्केट इज़ नॉट रियली मूविंग क्रेजी, तो हम कुछ ज़्यादा बोल नहीं सकते. दिस कुड बी अ मैनिपुलेशन on like a 5-minute time frame. You see, maybe it can be like this. Again, a lot of liquidity, they want to take out the sellers, right? Come to this level and then it can go to this level. Okay. I strongly feel that it's gonna come down now. You see this level? I strongly feel this can be the next move for the BTC. But still, we're not gonna take a trade, and we're not gonna trade. This is just like a major level that I find that कि हो सकता है इस तरीके से मार्केट अभी मूव करे. ओके, चलो थोड़ा वेट करते हैं. आई फील लाइक उस लेवल पे आने में भी थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, एंड देर इज़ डेफिनेटली स्टॉप वहाँ पर, स्टॉप लॉस वहाँ पर है, जो कि इट नीड्स टू बी टेकन आउट फॉर इट टू गो अप. हेलो टॉप गुनर, व्हाट्स अप बड़ी? सॉरी ब्रदर, थोड़ा लेट हुआ. आई थिंक कल मैंने बोला था कि 1 बजे आऊँगा. राइवर यूएसडी इज जस्ट डिस्ट्रॉयड. What happened, buddy? What happened? Tell me, share your story. क्या हुआ? चलो, it's coming down, ठीक है. And also like some people mostly think that oh Saturday है, moves नहीं आएंगे. भाई I have seen some good moves. Okay, I have some good. I have seen. Take a look at its graph. Which graph? You're talking about the BTC graph? River coin. What is river coin? What do you guys do, bro? River coin. Yeah. Where is river coin? How do I find it? Tell me. How do I find the river coin? Okay, bro. I don't like. Where do you find it? Tell me. We'll see. We'll see the chart. No issues. Yeah, as you see, like we'll see the. It's on Binance. Oh, Binance. भाई Binance phone में देखना पड़ेगा मुझे. But yeah, what happened to it? Like I think the memes coins are like I don't know, bro. If it's a meme coin or like what it is, because I've been seeing a lot of meme coins coming daily, going and this and that, like so many things happening. So yeah, I don't really care about them honestly. I feel like it can be manipulated very easily, and there are so many people who are creating memes coin daily. You saw what happened with Trump coin, right? We just went up and then came down, and it just like vanished. It fucking vanished, you know. So yeah. Yo 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 yo. Uh, for short time of period, like if you're talking about the from the longer perspective, I feel like it's gonna cross a 80,000 level and then it's gonna go up fully, but that will happen in 2026, like next month mostly. Right now, as of now, I feel like this is the short term के लिए BTC is going down. This was the liquidity pool, I'm assuming, right? So this was the level that it can go down to, and then yeah, from that we can see the nice candle. I feel like this candle is nice. 5 minute के हिसाब से it is a very good candle, but the next candle is just stuck. So that's also like a issue. And I'll be going in like 20 minutes. I think 10 minutes more. Let me just check कितना minute हुआ है live stream. 26. So I'll be going in 4 minutes. ठीक है? Who is doing future trading? Like, are you into it? Because I'm not into it. I think futures can be a little complicated at some point. There are so many people who are getting into futures and this and that, like crypto futures basically. But I think it's not my cup of tea. Like as of now, I might get into it very soon. But like, yeah, as of now, I can trade the pairs and this and that, and that's like a. I feel good about it. This was not a trade, by the way. This is not a trade. We just took this. This is not a trade. Wait करना पड़ेगा हमेशा. यहाँ पे हमें एटलीस्ट ब्रेकआउट चाहिए, तब जाके हमें ये वाला ट्रेड प्लेस कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? We haven't came to this level. अगर हमें ऊपर वाला ट्रेड चाहिए, like you know, if it's gonna go up, we need to cross this line and then it can go up. And अगर नीचे वाला चाहिए तो ये वाला क्रॉस होना पड़ेगा at this point. ठीक है? There is no surety. BTC is gonna move very slow because आज Saturday है, today's Christmas, and everything is gonna be very slow. ठीक है? चलो, कल वाला ट्रेड बहुत क्रेजी था, अगर तुम लोगों ने देखा होगा, राइट? आई थिंक मैंने 2-3 बार इस चीज़ के बारे में बात कर लिया है. आई एम गोना मेक अ वीडियो ऑन दिस, एंड येस, ऑल्सो पीपल हु आर वॉचिंग, इफ़ यू वांट टू लाइक जॉइन द कम्युनिटी, यू कैन सी द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. You'll be able to join, and if you want to pair up with the best broker that you can find in 2026, I think Mazi Finance is the option for you all. ठीक है? Mazi Finance तुमको अच्छे से स्प्रेड एंड कमीशंस बहुत ज़्यादा डिसेंट तरीके से तुमको देखने को मिलेगा. ठीक है? ओके, लेट मी शो यू द PNL टिल दिस टाइम PNL. ठीक है? ये था हमारा अभी तक का PNL. अभी तुमको दिख रहा होगा. ठीक है? स्टार्ट से देखना. 534 इट वॉज अ फर्स्ट, जब से डिपॉजिट हुआ था उसके बाद का फर्स्ट लॉस था 534. सेटअप वॉज नाइस बट अगेन इट वेंट अगेंस्ट अस. उसके बाद गोल्ड में जो हुआ था, गोल्ड में 355, इट वॉज अ नाइस सेटअप. देन अगेन दिस वॉज अ ट्रेड आई टुक, बट इमीडिएटली मैंने इसको कट कर दिया था बिकॉज एज यू नो, लाइक इफ द ट्रेड इज़ नॉट गोइंग according to your plan, there is no issue cutting that trade. ठीक है? Next thing, 3782. This was a profit that it was one of the biggest profit that I had. Honestly, I'm telling you. ठीक है? One of the biggest. It was so accurate, so good. The market moved so well, and the setup was top notch. Okay, we'll explain this. Why I'm making a video on this special video, that how I took this trade, and this was again a loss 108. It was a very tight stop loss. Okay, again 231. Okay, so 231 profit, not bad. Again, this was back to back 2 losses. You can see, I think this was on stream. This was on stream, okay? And then this happened later on when the market went down, the gold, right? The gold went down, it was on bullish run. I found some spot where I can sell and I sold it, and this is the profit. Again, this is the profit, I think day after yesterday, day before yesterday, and this was yesterday profit. Cool. This is a PNL. There is nothing to hide. You guys can see in front of your eyes, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Yeah, 11, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, out of 6, out of 11, 6 is in profit. So what is the percentage of that? Out of 11, almost 50 plus, right? 50 plus. But as you can see, it is not about the ratio. That if you can see like, oh, are you a profitable trader? Yeah, I am. But like, what is your win ratio? I would say 60%, right? It'll be like, oh, 60% normal, 50% is normal. But no, understand, 50%, 60% किस तरीके से होता है? See my stop loss, like see my losses and see the profit, right? There is a difference. See the losses and see the profit. Losses can be reduced in a way that if the market is not moving according to your plan, stop loss can be very tighten and उसे तुम break करके मतलब sorry उसे तुम avoid कर सकते हो उस loss को जो ज़्यादा हो सकता है. Profits you need to hold. ठीक है, अगर तुम इसका रेशियो देखोगे, अगर मैं 50-60% भी टाइम अगर राइट होता हो तो देन सी द एक्यूरेसी दैट कितने मेरे लॉसेस है और कितने प्रॉफिट्स है. लॉसेस का रेशियो देखो और प्रॉफिट्स का रेशियो देखो, तो दिस इज ऑल्सो लाइक मैटर्स. तुम समझ रहे हो? एंड दिस ऑल कम्स व्हेन यू हैव लाइक अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस एंड गुड सेटअप्स एंड दिस एंड दैट, एंड इट कम्स विद द टाइम. एंड या, इट डेफिनेटली इट टेक्स टाइम. It takes fucking time, but this is how it is. Okay, I'll stop flexing this now. Okay, we're back. No, this is not what I like, dude. Kya hai? What is this? What is this? No trade, nothing. Okay, I think we'll end this live stream in like next 5 minutes. Till that time, if you guys have anything to talk about, you guys can see, tell me. And yep, join the community, join the basically my Instagram. You'll be able to find so many good educational reels and also some flex content. Okay. So this is it. Not it actually. We'll wait for like wait, kitna minute bacha hai? 33. Let's wait for more 2 minutes. Today I'm not supposed to stream. Nobody's streaming, nobody's taking trades, but still I think कल मैंने promise किया था कि मैं आऊँगा, so I had to like stick to it, and then now we are here. Okay, how do you like the, and also the decoration was there, so I was like, okay, let's come live. There is no harm in it. All right, we're about to like close this. It's not moving, dude. It's not gonna move anywhere. I think today is not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen today. So let me tell you let me tell you a setup, okay, before I leave. Now it is accumulating. Okay, it is trying to accumulate. It's gonna break out either way, right? And then you can place a trade. It's gonna manipulate a little bit. So there are two ways, right? There are two things can happen. It's gonna break out from here. People think, oh, it's a breakout. They're gonna buy from here, right? And it can then reverse and go to this level. Second thing, it's gonna break out from here. People gonna say that, oh shit, abhi yahan se sell kar sakte. Then it's gonna go directly to this level, right? The next target we have this is where the liquidity is bending. This, you're getting my point? There are 4 scenarios here. Okay, you need to 2 scenarios I told you, more 2 scenarios. It's gonna go up from here, it's gonna break out. people are gonna think, okay, let's wait for the retracement, we'll buy from the retracement, it's gonna come down, it's gonna be a failure basically, right? And then it is not gonna retrace, it can go this level and then it can go to this. Got it? And same the opposite side. So there are too many possibilities, there are too many probabilities, and if, as you know, that trading is all about the probability. So the trading ka dusra naam hai probability, right? But how do you cut down to the probability, and how you can focus on the winnings and the perfect trades and this and that, right? You build a setup, you build a strategy where it is gonna work mostly all the time. You wait, you take a pay, you be patient, and जहाँ पर लोगों के stop loss होते हैं वहाँ पर you are supposed to buy or sell accordingly. Understand the retailer's mindset, understand the hedge fund's mindset, understand everyone's mindset, and then you're gonna understand that how market is gonna move in the future. Okay? So banks are closed, सारा US मार्केट बंद है, फॉरेक्स सब कुछ बंद है. मैंने बस प्रॉमिस किया था इसलिए आई केम लाइव टुडे, बट फाइनली दिस वाज जस्ट अ 40-minute or 35-minute live stream. This is it for today. I do not have much to say, and whatever is going to happen, as I told you, it's happening, right? It's happening. It will happen. Just a second, guys. Okay, guys, so I need to go. Chalo. As I told you, it's gonna break out from here. If you guys want to buy, do not buy right now until unless it does not cross this level. समझ रहे हो? ध्यान रखो, focus करो, and continuously watch each and every market, focus on each and every market, and then trade accordingly. Thank you so much for watching this stream. Whoever came and gonna watch later, do whatever. So वही है. I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe, most probably not tomorrow. And yes, we'll end this stream now. Okay, chalo. Thank you so much for watching, and this is me, Pradeep, signing out.